This video will cover difficult questions regarding the topic of exponents. Number 1, we can rewrite as 1 over 3. 9 is 3 squared to the power of x plus 2 over 3 to the power of minus 2x equals 2 times 1 over 3 to the power of minus 2x equals 2 times 1 over means 3 to the power of minus 2x, then to the power of minus 1. So 2 times 3 to the power of 2x. So this one is 2 times 3 to the power of 2x. 1 over 3 times 3 to the power of 2x plus 2 times 3 to the power of 2x. Then take out the common factor, 3 to the power of 2x. 1 plus 2, 1 over 3 times 3 to the power of 2x times 3, cancelled. The final answer is 3 to the power of 2x, or 9 to the power of x. Number 2, 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3, then to the power of 4x plus 1, over 81 is 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 3x plus 2, 3 to the power of, distribute the power, 12x plus 3 over 3 to the power of 12x plus 8 equals 3 to the power of 12x plus 3 minus 12x plus 8 equals 3 to the power of 12x plus 3 minus 12x minus 8, cancelled. 3 to the power of 3 minus 8, which is minus 5. So 1 over 3 to the power of 5 equals 1 over 243. Number 3, square root of x times x to the power of 1 over 3 times cube root of x times x to the power of 1 over 2 equals square root of x to the power of 1 plus 1 over 3 times cube root of x to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 equals x to the power of 4 over 3 times cube root of x to the power of 3 over 2 equals x to the power of 4 over 3 to the power of 1 over 2 times x to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 1 over 3 equals x to the power of 4 over 6 times x to the power of 3 over 6 equals x to the power of 4 over 6 plus 3 over 6, which is x to the power of 7 over 6. Number 4, take out the greatest common factor of the numerator, which is a squared. So a squared times 1 plus a squared plus a to the power of 4 over the denominator, which is a to the power of minus 7, then a to the power of 4 plus a squared plus 1, then cancel out the common factor. So a squared over a to the power of minus 7, then a to the power of 2 minus 7, then a to the power of, make the positive, 9. Number 5, we can rewrite as 3 to the power of x, then 3 to the power of x plus 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x minus 2 over 3 to the power of x over 3 to the power of minus 3 equals, expand the first one, 3 to the power of 2x plus Second one, 1 minus 3 to the power of 2x plus 2 over 3 to the power of minus 3. Cancelled. Then 3 over 3 to the power of minus 3 equals 3 to the power of 1 minus minus 3, 3 to the power of 4, which is 81. Number 5, 2 to the power of 5 equals A, and 3 to the power of 4 equals B. Write the power of 1 over 5 on each side. So 2 equals A to the power of 1 over 5. Write the power of 1 over 4 on each side. Then 3 equals B to the power of 1 over 4. The question is 18 to the power of 10. 18 equals 2 times 9. Then 2 times 3 squared. So we can rewrite as 18 is 2 times 3 squared, then to the power of 10. Distribute 2 to the power of 10 times 3 to the power of 20. Then 2 was A to the power of 1 over 5. Then 2 to the power of 10 times 3 was B to the power of 1 over 4 to the power of 20. So A squared times B to the power of 5. The final answer is A squared B to the power of 5. Number 7, 88 to the power of x equals 32, and 11 to the power of y equals 4. Write the power of 1 over x on each side. Then 88 equals 32 to the power of 1 over x. Then 88 equals 32 is 2 to the power of 5, then to the power of 1 over x. So 88 equals 2 to the power of 5 over x. Then this one, write the power of 1 over y on each side. So 11 equals 4 to the power of 1 over y. 4 is 2 squared, then to the power of 1 over y. So 11 equals 2 to the power of 2 over y. Then 2 to the power of 5 over x minus 2 over y equals 2 to the power of 5 over x over 2 to the power of 2 over y equals, this one, the numerator is 88 over the denominator is 11. So 88 divided by 11 is 8, which is 2 to the power of 3. Then the numerator is 3. Therefore, 5 over x minus 2 over y equals 3. Number A, square root of 3 equals 3 to the power of 1 over 2. Cube root of 5 equals 5 to the power of 1 over 3. 6 root of 26 equals 26 to the power of 1 over 6. In the denominator of the exponents, find the least common multiple. So it's 6. 3 to the power of 3 over 6. 5 to the power of 2 over 6. This is already here. Then we can rewrite as 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 1 over 6 equals 27 to the power of 1 over 6. Then in radical form, 6 root of 27. The second one, 5 squared to the power of 1 over 6 equals 25 to the power of 1 over 6. In radical form, 6 root of 25. Then compare these three numbers. When the indexes are the same, the larger the base, the larger the number. So 6 root 2 of 25, then 26, then 27. So final answer is cube root 2 of 5, then 6 root 2 of 26, then square root of 3. Number 9, we are looking for the greatest common factor of these three numbers, 1776 and 1110 and 444. This one is 111 times 10. The last one is 111 times 4. Then 1776 divided by 2 equals 888. So 8 times 111. So this one is 111 times 16. We can do more. 222 times 8, 222 times 5, 222 times 2. Then there are no more common factor here. So 2 to the power of 1776 equals 2 to the power of 222 times 8. So we can rewrite as 2 to the power of 8 to the power of 222, which is 256 to the power of 222. Next one, 3 to the power of 1110 equals 3 to the power of 222 times 5. We can rewrite as 3 to the power of 5 to the power of 222, which is 243 to the power of 222. The last one, 15 to the power of 444 equals 15 to the power of 222 times 2. We can rewrite as 15 squared to the power of 222 equals 225 to the power of 222. When the exponents are the same, the larger the base, the larger the number. So this one is the smallest one, 225 to the power of 222, then 243 to the power of 222, the last one, 256 to the power of 222. So final answer is the first one, then second one, the last one. When writing an answer, always write it exactly as it asks in the original question. Number 10a, do you remember? A plus b cubed equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Use the formula x to the power of 1 over 2 plus x to the power of minus 1 over 2 cubed equals, first term is a part, second term is b part. So a part cubed plus 3 times a part squared times b part plus 3 times a part times b part squared plus b part cubed equals, the first one is 3. 3 cubed equals x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 3 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus 3 x to the power of 1 over 2, then x to the power of minus 1 plus x to the power of minus 3 over 2. Then 27 equals x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 3 times x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 3 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus x to the power of minus 3 over 2. Then 27 equals x to the power of 3 over 2 plus this one, x to the power of minus 3 over 2 plus, with two terms, common factor is 3. So x to the power of 1 over 2 plus x to the power of minus 1 over 2. So 27 equals, this is the question. Then 3 times this one is 3. Therefore, x to the power of 3 over 2 plus x to the power of minus 3 over 2 equals 27 minus 9, which is 18. Number B, use the formula a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. X to the power of 1 over 2 plus x to the power of minus 1 over 2 squared equals x to the power of 1 over 2 squared plus 2 x to the power of 1 over 2 x to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus x to the power of minus 1 over 2 squared. The first one is 3 squared equals x plus 2 plus x to the power of minus 1. Therefore, x plus x to the power of minus 1 equals 9 minus 2, which is 7. Then square again. X plus x to the power of minus 1 squared equals x squared plus 2 x times x to the power of minus 1 plus x to the power of minus 1 squared equals, this one is a 7, so 7 squared equals x squared plus 2 cancelled plus x to the power of minus 2. So x squared plus x to the power of minus 2 equals 49 minus 2, which is 47. Then back to the original. The numerator is 47. Then denominator is 7. This is the last question. 2 to the power of x plus 3. We can rewrite as 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 3 equals 6. 2 to the power of x times this one, which is 8, equals 6. And divide by 8 on each side. 2 to the power of x equals 6 divided by 8. Therefore, 2 to the power of x equals 3 over 4. The question is 1 over 64 to the power of x over 3. 1 over 64 is 1 over 2 to the power of 6. Then to the power of x over 3. 2 to the power of minus 6 to the power of x over 3. Then minus 6 times x over 3 equals minus 2x. Then we can rewrite as 2 to the power of x to the power of minus 2 equals 2 to the power of x is here. 3 over 4 to the power of minus 2. This one is minus 1 times 2. Negative power make upside down, so 4 over 3. Then squared 16 over 9. I hope this video has been helpful. This is the last of 3 videos covering the exponents. Previous lessons are linked in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please leave them in a comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.